Hey there, gearheads, welcome back to Four Wheels Empire, your go-to source for automotive repairs and DIY tips. Today, we're tackling the P0132 error code. This code indicates an oxygen sensor circuit high voltage in bank 1, sensor 1, stick around, and I'll show you how to diagnose and fix this issue step by step. Code P0132 means the catalytic chamber is not working at optimum efficiency, which can translate to poor combustion. Your car will end up using more fuel to provide the same power required to turn the engine. Experiencing a dip in fuel efficiency is a common indicator of faulty PCMIS and diagnostic trouble codes. Rough idling, decreased fuel economy, check engine light, exhaust odor, smoke, reduced power. The fuel injectors are mounted in the intake manifold so that they spray fuel directly at the intake valves. Inspect the leaking fuel injectors on the fuel rail. Carefully remove the fuel injector. Make sure the new injector has no seals, and never use the old seals over. When you change the fuel injectors, change them all as I said. Otherwise the engine will run unevenly. In order to prevent leaking, get some gasoline, put it in a cup, and then dip the new fuel injector into it. So the seals may get wet with gasoline, and it will go in and won't leak after all. Just slide all the new fuel injectors in. This oxygen sensor is located right before the catalytic converter. Bank 1 is on the side with the cylinder. Number 1 sensor. Number 1 is usually the one in the exhaust manifold. Visually, check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. After replacing the sensor or fixing the wiring, clear the P0132 code and take your car for a test drive. Monitor your scanner to ensure the code doesn't return. And there you have it. Fixing the P0132 code isn't as intimidating as it sounds. Just remember to check your sensor, wiring, and fuel system thoroughly. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Four Wheels Empire, and leave a comment with your questions or future video suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.